Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maria for those of you who are new here. For today's video, I am going to be filming a what's in my bag video. So everything that's in my purse that I, for the most part, always have on me. I'm just gonna go through every single part of my purse and like take things out and show you guys. Let's go ahead and jump right in. So right now, this is the bag that I am carrying around. I love black bags so much, like especially during fall time. Black is like something you cannot go wrong with. I'm not much of a colorful person when it comes to purses. Like I won't have like a purple or a green one just because I feel like I'll get so tired of it, but I do like nude pinks or just like any type of tan. I love. And I'm just doing this black Guess bag that I got at Ross for like almost 40 bucks. I want to say like 35, 40 bucks. All right, so first things first, my wallet. I just have my debit card, my ID, my cash in here, and this is my wallet. That's all. I am a barista, so I always have cash on me. I always like to make sure I have something that like can fit a bunch of tips in it because we all know how much ones we get when we're baristas. And then I have my emergency little bags. In this baggie, I carry like a bunch of things that I might need in any type of emergency, like my hair, my makeup, whatever it could be. Let's see what's in it. So I have some mascara, some lipsticks, 2 different shades, just in case I forget the shade that I am wearing. I have some type of option. I have a brush because I've left the house and I will see like makeup lines that I really need to fix. I've been there where I don't have anything to mix my makeup with and I'm just like, don't look at me. Eyelash glue because like duh. A few chapsticks. I hate dry lips. And this is just a must, like male or female, you guys should always have chapstick on you, especially in Washington. Some lip gloss. And then I have a bunch of like hair ties, some bobby pins, just like little things that I might need when I'm out and about and that I don't have access to. An avocado, because you never know when you might need some avocado toast, right? Just kidding. So this is actually like a little pouch. And it just has like, it opens up and there's a bunch of change in there. I just don't like the feeling of having a bunch of change just like lying in the bottom of your purse. I love this. My boyfriend actually just got me this not so long ago. Obsessed. And then I have a beauty blender and a little travel box. I actually haven't even used this beauty blender because I just want to use it in an emergency. Beauty blender is a must. Next, I have a book. So I always like to carry like a book, a journal, my planner, something that I can do just in case I am in a situation where I don't want to just sit there and not be productive. I can just start doodling things down, ideas, whatever. This is a good day, everyday book that I got. You just like fill it out and today's a good day. I put like exercise, how I'm feeling. You're just journaling your day basically. There's like a bunch of them. It's really cool and it's just something that you can do if you're like at a cafe, drinking some coffee and you need, you know, you don't want to be on your phone. Take it out and just start journaling. And then I have Nude by Rihanna. We ladies know that having any type of like perfume, body spray is important. I have some straws just in case I get some coffee. I don't really like using plastic straws. Like I know it happens, but you know, you can always avoid it by having your own straws on you. I got this at Ross for like $3. Oh no, it was like $5, but it came with like 4 different straws, a straw cleaner, and then this little baggie. Love this. This is always in my purse. Deodorant, because do I really need to explain why? Some hand cream. This is not my favorite hand cream, but we all need some hand cream. Because it's 2020 and we are in a pandemic, I have a mask. You can't really go anywhere without taking a mask now, so I always like to make sure there's a mask or 2 in my bag because if you don't forget, your friend, your boyfriend, somebody will forget, and it's always nice to have an extra mask on you. A pen, eye cream for underneath your eyes. I also have this Coco Cabana cream. This smells so good, so good. I also have a iPhone charger. Just in case your phone's dead or anything. I always have some headphones in here as well. I don't have some on me right now. They're in my car, in my passenger seat. But having some headphones on you and a charger is always just nice. And of course, I have some tampons. Like, can't leave your house without some tampons. It's just dangerous. But that was basically it for the what's in my bag video. I wanted to keep it super simple and short for you guys because it's just a video of what's in my bag. But I've always felt like these are so interesting to watch because you never know who's carrying what in their purse. You know, some people carry a bunch of makeup, some people carry a Glock. You just never know. Thank you guys so much for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe if you haven't. I will see you guys next week in next week's video. Bye guys.